Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We need to deploy a front-end backup utility on the Nautilus backup server. Our goal is to set up Apache as the backend on port 5000 and use Nginx as a reverse proxy listening on port 8091. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to move our web content. I'll check the sample index.html file. There it is. Now, let's send it over to the backup server's temporary directory using SCP. Now, let's SSH into the backup server. Once we're in, I'll switch to the root user to get full administrative privileges. Our environment needs both web servers. So let's install Apache and Nginx simultaneously using yum install. With the packages installed, we need to configure Apache to stay out of Nginx's way. I'll open the configuration file and look for the listen directive. We'll change the default port 80 to 5000. This ensures Apache acts as our internal backend service. Next up is the Nginx configuration. This is where the magic happens. I'll set Nginx to listen on port 8091 as requested. Then, inside the location block, I'll add a proxy_pass directive pointing to http://hdbkpo1:5000. This tells Nginx to take any incoming traffic on 8091 and hand it off to our Apache server. Before we start the services, always check your syntax. Running Nginx -t. Everything is looking good. We need to move our index file. I'll move it from /tmp to the Apache document root at /va/www/html/ so the server has content to display. Now, let's enable and start both services so they persist after a reboot. We'll start Apache first, then Nginx, and quickly verify their status. Time for the moment of truth. We'll run a curl command against the backup server on port 8091. If the reverse proxy is working, we should see the contents of the index.html we moved earlier. And there it is. The connection is successful. Everything looks perfect. We've successfully bridged Nginx and Apache to create a robust front end for our backup utility. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 3 challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.